American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You call or text Anthony Rubio at 954-706-0081. The number also will be listed down below. You can call or text that number. We're going to do a booms demonstration, startup, and a drive-by on this 2018 International 4300. This unit is equipped with an Altec 758 63-foot working height. It is flatbed rear mount under CDL unit, 26,000 GVWR with AC. This unit is ready to go to work, fully serviced, current dielectric annual boom and current DOT. Brand new tires all the way around, Ocola chrome rims. This truck is equipped with 4 outriggers, one in front, one between the cab and the flatbed, and one on the rear of the flatbed. You'll see right there, there's one there, and one before the toolbox. This is a 63-foot working height over center. This unit is equipped with a Cummins 6.7 liter. This is not a max force unit. Cummins 6.7 liter with 55,000 original documented miles. This truck has 2,800 PTO hours. Has AC, front winch installed in the bumper. Controls are there. Winch is in here. I do offer financing, shipping, and export on this unit. I do have financing for startups as well, depending on credit. But I can get it done, and it is equipment based, not personally guaranteeing. We'll do a startup, and then we'll go ahead and switch to the PTO so you guys can see it fly. Take a look at the chassis. Very clean truck. Brand new tires. This truck is fully serviced, ready to go to work, nothing to do, load up your tools and crew. Go ahead and get it exhaust here, no smoking, no misfiring. Brand new tires again, all the way around, not recaps. You can see here, good thread on them. Go ahead and switch to the PTO. You do have a bench. Again, current dielectric and annual boom. DOT is current as well. Also does have a tool circuit here and a tool circuit in the bucket. The tool circuit here is controlled by this lever that I'm touching with my middle finger. And this truck's being sold by American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. So 2018 International under CDL flatbed forestry unit. equipped with a Cummins 6.7 liter, 55,000 original documented miles. AC unit, ready to go to work. Lowboy service on this we do offer. It's going to be fully insured lowboy. Very competitive rates. I mean, I work with one guy, does all our loads for a reason. He is the man. Could be, depends on time of what's going on with deliveries on him, but within 5 to 7 5 to 7 days, we can get this truck delivered to your driveway. Sometimes earlier, depending on what he's got going on, but it's very competitive. We can also include it in the finance charges for delivery. If you like to fly in and take a look at this truck, drive it home, or fly in, fly back out, it's up to you, no problem. You can fly into Fort Lauderdale International Airport, come test drive it, come demo it. We can pick you up from the airport, not a problem. About 15 minutes away from us. Again, it's a 63-foot working height flatbed, Altec LR758. Very clean unit. This truck does have brand new batteries, brand new clutch fan as well. You can take a look. I mean, we go through all our trucks head to toe no matter what. Can't beat a Cummins. Alright, so the next video you'll see is the drive-on test of this truck here.